Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Oliver Wiedmaier at Ali underscore all caps on Twitter, founder of Voyage Trading Group. We're going to be doing a market review for the week of July 11th through July 15th, 2022. And we have some interesting things we need to take a look at. I'm not going to say that the bottom's in, but once we get a little bit deeper in these charts, I'd say there's an argument to be made that the bottom could be in. So what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the NASDAQ, and then we'll keep on moving from there. So we will see that we have a bottom here of June 16th, possible higher low here. We did hold this area between the 20 EMA and the 50-day simple moving average. We did not close above it. I don't know if this is a rejection or if this just wasn't able to hold, but this is something we need to pay attention to. It would be very constructive if we trade sideways in between the two moving averages. We'll take a look at SPY. We are holding this channel here. It is currently trading between the 20 EMA and the 50 simple moving average. The 50 has not started to turn up yet, but we'll see here there's a lot of volume. Okay, so it is possible that they are buying, they're eating up the bottom here. Just as we saw here, it looked like they were buying the bottom. It turns out they were not. So I'm just reporting what I see. We have to just wait and see. There's a lot of economic news going on with the Fed and tightening, and we have the war going on, and we have inflation. So it's just there's a lot of economic factors that I try not to touch on, because for me, the news is important. It's how the market reacts to the news. So I just like to look at these charts just for what they are and not factor in any of the economic stuff going on, because we could have an inflationary bull run. That's possible. It's happened before. So I just want to focus just on what's on the chart and trade cautiously until we are confirmed in a bull market. So for now, we are looking very good. However, I'm still going to be trading, and the guys in the trading group are going to be trading pretty light, not necessarily day trading, but taking most of the profits in the first day, and then holding the remaining shares for the next couple of days. And that's been our tactic, and it's working well. So we'll take a look at the Qs. Again, we have this kind of low of June 16th, right on this support line. And again, we are in an area to watch here. We are kind of trading in a no man's land right now. I do like to look at ARK. I think once the institutions start buying the growth names is when we know risk is on. So for now, seeing a lot of biotech, a lot of healthcare, not a lot of growth. But ARK is a innovation ETF, so it does look like we are working on that right side of the base, rounding out this bottom here. And if so, then that would be an indicator that the institutions have an appetite for risk. So it's holding this resistance line now. Now it's become support. I did buy it as it retested right here, so I am making a little bit of money on this. And I do plan on holding this to see as far as it can go. Ideally, it would just keep on going and going and going, and then I'd have a massive return, and that would be fantastic. We will take a look at the VIX real quick. Closing below 25. This is a pretty significant area. We were at one point talking about 28 and 30. I had speculated that we needed to hit 40 in order to really flush out, but it's possible that it's already been flushed out in individual names, and the indices won't actually have to have that crazy crash because the indices have already been beat down so bad. I had tweeted earlier saying something about it's possible that there was a stealth bottom in individual names, which we aren't seeing reflecting on the ETFs. And then I have a few things I would like to show you guys to prove that point. So we'll jump in that right now. So if you look here, here's a comparison to uh, the SPY top, which was SPY top was January 4th. So if you look on January 4th on energy, that's when we broke out. So we know that energy broke out the day that SPY topped. Okay. So if that's an indication that the money moved into energy when we started to downturn, then it is possible that when energy starts to downturn here, it's this gap down off the 50, gap down on June 16th. So June 16th, energy, which was leading, that's where all the money was going into, gaps down. Well, what happens on June 16th here on the SPY, June 16th? That's the bottom. So is it possible that the energy sector was the inverse of the overall market, and when the SPY topped, energy breaks out, and then when the SPY bottoms, energy enters a significant downtrend once it breaks the 50. I don't know. I'm just showing you what's on the chart. Now, this date, June 16th, June 17th, is very important because if we look, all of these sectors bottomed on June 16th. This is XLV. This is healthcare, bottoms, June 16th. XLY, bottoms, June 16th. XLU is utilities, June 17th, bottom. I mean, you just get the list goes on and on. XLP, consumer staples, look at that date, June 17th. So is it possible that June 17th, June 16th, June 17th is when the institutions get out of energy and into all these other sectors? I don't know. We still have a lot of economic things above our head. We have a lot of overhead supply. So we have to work through this. But if the bottom's in, the bottom was June 16th, June 17th. So I do know that our focus list is working. I know that we are trading, we are swinging 2, 3, 4, 5 days. I've had AbbVie for over 3 weeks. I haven't held a stock for longer than 3 days and months. So something's changed. There's character change, and if the bottom's in, the bottom was in when on June 16th when XLE breaks the 50-day on a gap down. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff. If you're interested in joining the Voyage Trading Group, it's an interactive trading group between advanced traders and beginner traders, and we share ideas, watch lists, focus lists, resources, books, all kinds of stuff. It's a lot of fun. Small group. We're about 107 people. We're very active, about 25 members, super active, totally free. It's a lot of fun. If you're an advanced trader, please let me know. I can add you to our advanced traders chat room where we share ideas. Or if you just want to participate in the general chat, just join. I'll have the link for the Discord in the description below. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.